Hello everyone! Today we are bringing another important topic from Dynamics 365 Essentials series. It is the financial dimensions, which plays a significant role in designing the financial structure and financial reporting of any company. Designing a chart of accounts or GL account segmentation, which includes all the financial business requirements such as departments, cost centers, business units or projects, is becoming obsolete. In Business Central, dimensions represent a powerful tool to keep track of any financial attribute without affecting the optimal structure of the chart of accounts, but rather it provides full control from an actual and budget perspective. Let's take an example and see how a travel expense can be analyzed by a channel, cost center, location, or a product category. With a traditional chart of accounts structure, you need to create 1,000 GL accounts to cover all the possibilities. On the other hand, with the use of dimensions in Business Central, you can create only one GL account and unlimited numbers of dimensions. When we create dimensions in Business Central, we have to create dimension values. For example, we have multiple business groups here, like the home, industrial, intercompany, and office. We have multiple departments here like the production, sales, and administration. At the same time, dimension values can be defined in a hierarchy structure by using the total and heading account in order to represent an elegant view of the dimension values. Dimensions can be assigned to accounts such as customers, vendors, items, salespersons, employees, or fixed assets. This is very important to simplify the data entry process and prevent mistakes made by the end users. In addition to that, the value posting provides further more strict control to the default values. The dimension value assigned to the vendor account in this example will be automatically assigned to the purchase invoice. Let's fill the vendor name and we will see that the area code 70 is automatically assigned. Thank you for watching.